lesson My Teacher. So what you do, open your textbooks page number 7 so that it will be easy for you to go through the textbook and write whatever it is. And while playing the video, children, you have to pause it and write the question and answers in the notebook itself. You have to take very care in writing the notes. So I'm going to continue the question and answers now. I'll play the video clipping so that it will be easy for you to copy down the question and answers.
English 2. 1. My teacher. 1. My teacher. Reading. This is an extract from The Story of My Life by Helen Keller. When Helen Keller was 2 years old, she was struck by an illness that left her visually and hearing impaired. For the next 5 years, she lived in a world of darkness and silence. Her life changed the day Miss Anne Sullivan became her teacher and companion. Miss Sullivan's kindness, patience, and skill as a teacher for the visually impaired helped Helen a lot. I was at once interested in this finger play and tried to. We walked down the path to reading comprehension. 1. Answer the following questions. 1. Why was the 3rd of March 1887 such an important day in the life of Helen Keller? Answer. The 3rd of March 1887 was an important day in the life of Helen Keller because on this day she met with her teacher Annie Sullivan. 2. Why does she compare herself to a ship? Do you think the comparison is a good one? Give reasons for your answer. Answer. She compares herself to a ship. Yes, the comparison is a good one because this way Helen Keller expresses her feelings and the situation at that time when she was very young and did not know what to do and was totally directionless. 3. Describe the first meeting between Annie Sullivan and Helen Keller in 20 words. Answer. Helen Keller felt approaching footsteps. She stretched out her hand as she supposed to her mother. Someone took it. She was Miss Annie Sullivan. She caught Helen Keller in her arms. Helen Keller felt good and welcomed her as she came to reveal all things to her and above all, to love her. On the whole, there was a great warmth in the meeting and both welcomed each other. 4. What does Helen say about the first experience with the writing words on her hand? Does she understand that it is the beginning of her formal education? Answer. Helen Keller says, the morning after my teacher came, she led me into the room and gave me a doll. When I had played with it a little while, Miss Sullivan slowly spelled into my hand the word doll. I was at once interested in this finger play and tried to imitate it. Helen Keller does not understand that it was the beginning of her formal education. 5. What did Helen Keller begin to understand when she learned to spell different words through finger play? Answer. In the days that followed, Helen Keller learned to spell a great many words through finger play. She began to understand that everything has a name.
Okay children, this is about your question and answers. Going for the next section, that is B part, complete the following sentences. You have to write it in the notes. Whenever you feel difficulty, read the words, the difficult words, spell it and pronounce it correctly. And while writing also, pause the video and write it very neatly without any spelling mistakes. Understood? Now going for the next.
Complete the following sentences.
So this we have to complete it by searching the sentences completion from the textbook in the lesson. Okay, so first one, it was the 3rd of March 1887 when on which day she met Annie Sullivan? That is on 3rd March. So I am going to write it here. You have to search it in a textbook so that it will be easy for you. Yes, when I met Miss Annie Sullivan, my teacher. This is about her, where have to write. I guessed that I have some problem here in writing, so I am unable to write here because I guess that something unusual was about to happen, because I can't bring the pointer here. It has been stuck up over there. So search from the textbook and write it, children. I hope you can find it over. So I am unable to write it here. This gesture I can't write it here. So children, you have to search from the textbook and write it on your own. I am going to move further. So these other 4 you have to write it on your own, so that it will be easy for you. See, this Miss Annie put big rag doll into my lap while I was playing with my new doll. It was because what happened at that time, she wanted to make her to spell some words in her hand. As we returned to the house, every object which I touched seemed to come alive, because what happened when she has returned from outside, she felt that everything looking was strange, new sight that he had come to her. So this is about the reading comprehension and what all notes is given. So this especially complete the following sentences. Search from the textbook. I hope you will all find it and write it neatly in the textbook itself, not in the notes, this sentences, but question and answers you complete it in the notebook. Okay, so I am moving further, children.
Reading Comprehension 2. 1. Helen was now a happy child. Write a few sentences to compare her life before and after she got to know that everything had a name. Answer. Helen was now a happy child. She had understood that everything has a name and even every feeling has a name. This understanding in her helped her to break a barrier. An era of learning and understanding things more and more had started. 2. How do you think physically challenged people cope? Do they need our sympathy, friendly attitude, or our love? Can they lead normal lives like others? Discuss it in the class.
So this is also I am unable to write. So you have to think how the physically challenged people lead their life. Do they lead normally or do they lead differently from others? So I hope you have seen the blind people and the dumb and deaf people on the roads or besides you or in the family itself, or the people who are physically challenged. So those people, how they lead their life without their support, without how they are going to live on this earth. You have to see them and you have to write about them. Only 2-3 lines is enough, not more than that. It is better to ask your parents also. You can take help of your parents. Okay children, this is all. I am going to stop my video for today's class. I am going to end it up. You have to take your parents' help so that it will be easy for you to write the notes.